My background is not in programming or game development. I had some basic experience with Python, but Flutter, backend architecture, databases, deployment, and online game systems were far beyond what I could build alone. What I did have was an idea. For a long time, I wanted to create a persistent text-based MMORPG, a world where players build characters, explore, fight monsters, trade items, join shared events, and shape their own progression. That idea became the real RPG project. Today, the game runs on a live test server with a mobile client and backend. Players can develop characters, learn skills, discover locations through a fog of war map, travel between them, enter dungeons, and take part in combat. The combat engine supports both solo and party encounters, multiple monsters in one battle, independent targets and health, elemental damage, ranged weapons, ammunition, and monsters that can call others of their species as reinforcements. There are persistent world boss events shared between players, early support for PvP guilds, parties, and other social systems still being expanded and verified. The game also includes randomized equipment with rarity, affixes, sockets, durability, and unique item instances. These systems connect to crafting, storage, a bank, and a player-driven auction house. Behind the player application is a separate staff application for managing accounts, characters, content, currencies, moderation, operations, and audit records. None of this began as a clean technical specification. Most of it started as ideas, mechanics, problems, and bug reports written in plain language. That's where Codex running on GPT-5.6 became my primary implementation partner. I explain what I want the game to do. Codex investigates the codebase, finds architectural blockers. It proposes a plan and implements the solution across the FastAPI backend, Flutter client, database migrations, API contracts, and automated tests. For example, when I asked for social monster reinforcements, Codex discovered that the original combat system assumed only one enemy. It redesigned that model to support multiple combatants while preserving compatibility with existing battles. I still control the vision. I define the mechanics, test the game, report problems, review the results, and decide what is ready. Codex does not replace my role. It gives me the technical ability to perform it. Real RPG Project began as a game I could only imagine. With Codex and GPT 5.6, that dream is becoming real, playable software.